Good morning. You are listening to Kanak Keswani, your news anchor of Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 8th June from around the world. Eastern Ladakh standoff. Indian-Chinese armies agree to peacefully resolve now. A series of military talks took place between India and China in wake of the tensions over the border issue, and both sides have agreed to peacefully resolve the situation in accordance with the various bilateral agreements between the two nations, according to the Ministry of External Affairs. The ministry, in a statement, said that in the recent weeks, India and China have maintained communications through established diplomatic and military channels to address the situation in areas along the India-China border. Support for terrorism nearly wiped out. In Jammu and Kashmir, people want peace. Recent uncoordinated act of violence in North Kashmir are signs of desperation by terrorists which are not finding resonance among people want to get out of the cycle of violence. A fact visible in the sharp dip this year in the recruitment of local youths in terror groups, a senior army officer has said. LT General B.S. Raju, heading the Kashmir-based 15 Corps, feels the basic premise of terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir is to create sensationalism that is backed by false separatist narratives and propaganda sponsored from Pakistan. Monsoon to advance into West Bengal, Orissa and northeast states by June 11-12, with the likely formation of a low pressure area over east central Bay of Bengal, Orissa, Sikkim and some parts of northeastern states by June 11-12. The MT department said here on Sunday. The low pressure area is likely to move westwards and become more marked by Wednesday, Regional MET Director G.K. Das said. Bihar takes down COVID-19 data, hides scoring death count. Brazil removed from public view month of data on its COVID-19 epidemic on Saturday, as President Jair Bolsonaro defended delays and changes to official record keeping of the world's second largest coronavirus outbreak. Brazil's health ministry removed the data from a website that had documented the epidemic over time and by state and municipality. The ministry also stopped giving a total count of confirmed cases, which have shot past 672,000, more than anywhere outside the United States, or a total death count, which passed Italy this week, nearly 36,000 by Saturday. I, Kanak Keswani, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.